Morning students, 10th standard geography lesson 2 book exercise. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, western disturbances cause rainfall in Punjab. Second one, dash helps in quick ripening of mangoes along the coast of Kerala and Karnataka. Mango showers. Third one, dash is a line joining the places of equal rainfall. It is the isoheads. Fourth one, climate of India is labeled as tropical monsoon climate. Fifth one, the monsoon forest or otherwise called as deciduous forest. Sixth one, Sheshachalam Hills. A biosphere reserve is situated in Andhra Pradesh. Seventh one, dash is a part of the World Network Biosphere Reserves of UNESCO. Here A, B, C options are correct. Nilgiri, Agastyamalai and Great Nicobar. Then second Roman letter, match the following. Sundarbans, West Bengal. Biodiversity hotspot is the Himalayas. Third one, northeast monsoon, October to December. Fourth one, tropical thorn forest, desert and semi-desert vegetation. Fifth one, coastal forest, littoral forest. And third Roman letter, consider the given statement and choose the correct option from the given below ones. First one, assertion, the Himalayas acts as a climatic barrier. Reason, or the Himalayas prevents cold winds from Central Asia and keep the Indian subcontinent warm. Your answer is A. A option, both A and R are true or explains A. Second one, here the fourth Roman letter, choose an inappropriate answer. First one, tidal forests are found in and around desert. It is an inappropriate answer. So, odd one, desert. Second one, climate of India is affected by dash, soil. Then fifth Roman letter, answer in briefly. First question, list the factors affecting climate of India. Answer is, the factors affecting the climate of India are latitude, distance from the seas, monsoon wind, relief features and jet streams. Your second question is, what is meant by normal lapse rate? Answer, when the altitude increases, the temperatures decreases. Temperature decreases at the rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius for every 1000 meters of ascent. It is called a normal lapse rate. Third one question is, what are jet streams? Jet streams are the fast moving winds blowing in a narrow zone in the upper atmosphere. Second point, according to the jet stream theory, the onset of southwest monsoon is driven by the shift of the subtropical westerly jet from the plains of India towards the Tibetan plateau. Third point, the easterly jet streams caused tropical depressions both during southwest and retreating monsoon. Your fourth question is, write a short note on monsoon wind. Answer, the word monsoon has been derived from the Arabic word mausim, which means season. Monsoon winds blows from the southwest to northeast during summer and from the northeast to southwest during winter. The next question is, name the 4 distinct seasons of India. First season, winter or cold weather season, January and February. Second, pre-monsoon or summer or hot weather season, March to May. Third, southwest monsoon or rainy season, June to September. Fourth season, northeast monsoon season, October to December. And next question, what is burst of monsoon? Prior to the onset of the southwest monsoon, the temperature in North India reaches up to 46 degrees Celsius. The sudden approach of monsoon wind over South India with lightning and thunder is termed as a break or burst of monsoon. Next question is, name the areas which receives heavy rainfall. Answer is the west coast, Assam, South Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh are the heavy rainfall areas which get more than 200 cm rainfall. The next question, state places of mangrove forest in India. West Bengal, Gujarat, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Goa, Kerala and Karnataka. Then last question is write any 5 biosphere reserves in India. Achanakmar in Madhya Pradesh, then Amarkantak in Chhattisgarh, Agastyamalai in Kerala, then Dibru Saikova in Assam, Dihang Dibang in Arunachal Pradesh, Great Nicobar in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Students, I will send you distinguish, give reason answers and detail answer